Hi, I'm Pop Seagon, and welcome to my channel so you can learn about Bagua Kuntao Silat, my personal martial art. Please like and subscribe before you forget and before I forget to remind you. Today I'm going to show you a request from one of my viewers, and that is a defense to a rear double arm grab. It's an old restraint hold that used to be used quite often in the early 20th century, and you'd see up to the mid 20th century, but you don't see it too often. However, you will see it sometimes, and similar to the double rear wrist grab, it's an idea that somebody restrains you in preparation for someone else to do something to you or to try to subdue you, talk sense into you. They don't really want to do damage to you, but they're trying to gain control of you for some reason. So in an effort to show that, I'm going to show you two defenses to the rear double arm hold. And it's usually done by someone encircling both of your arms to the rear, and you can see he's grabbing each one and holding on, and not just encircling them both, but he has his arms intertwined. And it's, like I said, fairly good. Not a lot of pain to me at all. It's something done to someone who's drunk, wants to fight, or get control so somebody else can control them or do damage to them, but it's certainly some type of subduing hold. I wouldn't say submission as much because there's no pain to me. However, it does happen. And for Bagua Kuntao Silat, again, we use a serpentine body. And to do that, torquing our joints, you can see I've lowered my weight, and he's preparing, he's holding on tightly. And what I'll do is torque my hips, shoulder, waist, and elbow in order for me, and step behind him, in order for me to gain control of his center and maintain control of my own while he thinks he has control of my arms. He does not, even though it feels like it if you don't know how to move your arms. And while I'm torquing myself, I'm turning into myself, much like torquing palm, but closer to palm number 4 in section 1 of the 64 palms. And I'm going to bring my elbow in while torquing my palm to my face and step around him and to the outside. And you'll see how that works. And hold him like this. So now I have him before he has me. You can see I have his arm here, I have his face, my knee is into his knee, and I'm stepping on his foot, and now I'm subduing him. You can feel, I'm sorry, he's having trouble breathing. So yeah, I'm being as nice as I can while I'm stretching and torquing his spine while he moves out. And I looked awkward, but he was more awkward. All I had to do was just throw him down, sit down, break his knee, break his arm, all those things. And I just turned and moved behind him while he tried to maintain his hold. It worked to my benefit, and I was able to twist his spine under my control. So that's the first defense. The second defense I'm going to let him do is similar to the double rear wrist grab, except worse, because he still has control of his hands, and he can use that for his benefit, where he's going to squat down, grab my groin, squat on my knee and silo, and sit down. Yeah, and instantly take control of me for that situation. It's worked. I know it's coming. I still can't stop him. I can't grab him because I'm holding on to him. I think I'm going to hold tighter and maintain control like he thought he could do to me. It just doesn't work that way. That little bit of time you pause thinking you're going to regain control is when we take control back from you. So you can see those are two holds, two defenses to the double arm hold from the rear from Bagua Kuntao Silat. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.